Until this point, the worth of the TEZOS cryptographic money token, XTZ, has commonly come around more than 69%. It has diminished by over 84% since the symbolic pinnacle. The drop in XTZ's cost explicitly has been welcomed on by the unpredictability and vulnerability that especially have been made in both the customary financial exchange and the digital currency markets because of a few macroeconomic reasons. Worldwide unpredictability has been generally impacted by the continuous Russia-Ukraine struggle, record-high expansion welcomed on by rising fuel and food costs, and the U.S. Federal Reserve's sooner-than-anticipated fixing of money-related arrangement to direct the higher purchaser costs. What is the drawn-out viewpoint at the cost of the XTZ token? In this piece, we'll sort of look all the more carefully at the blockchain and cost conjectures for TEZOS. What precisely is a TEZOS, XTZ, token? TEZOS is in every way that really matters, open-source stage upheld by validators, scholastics, and manufacturers from everywhere the world. It expects to eliminate critical obstructions to the reception of blockchain for resources and applications. The TEZOS stage depends on shrewd agreements. The local coin of the TEZOS blockchain is called Xtz. It basically is utilized to interface with decentralized applications, dApps, pay expenses, sort of protect the organization through marking, and give a straightforward bookkeeping unit. The underlying coin offering, ICO, of TEZOS was led in mid-2017. Throughout the span of 2 weeks, nearly $232 million in Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, were raised, well surpassing the task's $20 million objective, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Research engineer Arthur Brightman, who previously worked for Google X and the business Waymo, especially was the person who initially proposed the TEZOS blockchain. In September 2014, Brightman distributed a white paper with additional subtleties and determinations on the TEZOS project in a significant manner. He guaranteed that while TEZOS offered an on-chain administration approach, Bitcoin's plan was somewhat defective and didn't give an exceptionally comprehensive administration process, or so they thought. To keep the organization from forking, this would allow sort of token holders to decide on proposed convention changes. TEZOS, XTZ, truly current price. TEZOS is as of now worth $1.51. XTZ in a real sense has moved 1.56% as of now with an exchanging volume of $20,594,933, in opposition to mainstream thinking. TEZOS is as of now positioned 38 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,372,120,172. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving pretty weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination difference, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for TEZOS, XTZ, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year especially is going. TEZOS, XTZ, price predictions. Financial backers ought to remember the huge unpredictability of the digital currency industry while taking a gander at TEZOS cost projections. Estimates are dependent upon blunder since they depend on presumptions made by examiners in view of earlier execution. The decision to put resources into the TEZOS coin is altogether dependent upon you. Prior to settling on venture choices, consistently generally think about a symbolics organization arrangements, and basics. Moreover, never risk money management subsidizes that you can't stand to lose in an unpretentious manner. TEZOS, XTZ, Price Prediction 2022. TEZOS, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, XTZ, in an unobtrusive way. The XTZ cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $2.28. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady. However, no extensive drops are normal in every practical sense, significant way. Averaging $2.13 in cost certainly is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. XTZ is supposed to, all things considered, have a base worth of $1.82. TEZOS, Xtz Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, TEZOS Xtz cost expectation has certainly much space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Xtz will before long outperform $3.80. In any case, we ought to stand by to fundamentally check whether the Xtz's truly relative strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Xtz will exchange within in every practical sense, least exchanging cost of $3.04 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.34. TEZOS, Xtz, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $5.32 and Xtz might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Xtz by and large is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $4.87 and a low of $4.56 in 2024 in a significant manner. TEZOS, Xtz, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming TEZOS effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Xtz coin cost could stay stable for the genuinely next 5 years. As per our projections, Xtz will be green in 2025. The Xtz fundamentally is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $6.84, with a base cost of $6.08 and a typical cost of $6.39. TEZOS, Xtz, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Xtz cost is supposed to cross a very normal value level of $7.91 by 2026. With a base cost of $7.60 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Xtz has a greatest value worth of $8.36. TEZOS, Xtz, Price Prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $9.43. In the event that Xtz figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could generally see a greatest cost of $9.88. Neglecting to assemble the help Xtz needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $9.12. TEZOS, Xtz, Price Prediction 2028.